Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the image and the keys. Pick a high-contrast photo and crop tightly to the area you want, because printing scales nonlinearly on small surfaces. Once done, export at 300 dpi and lay out separate images for each key size. Make sure to include alignment guides. Meanwhile, remove keycaps with a puller and inspect stems. You're getting both a visual template and physical access, which prevents misprints and ensures the image lines up with each key's shape. Now print and carefully cut the decals. Use your printer's highest color setting and printable vinyl. First, run a test on plain paper at 100% scale to confirm sizing. Once satisfied, print the vinyl, then cut each key image following the guides, leaving a 0.5 millimeter bleed to tuck under edges. Next, dry fit every piece on its keycap. If a stem or stabilizer blocks the decal, trim a tiny notch. This step ensures alignment and prevents bubbling when you apply adhesive or clear coat. Finish by sealing and reinstalling the keycaps. Apply 2 light coats of clear sealant, spray or brush, waiting 10 to 15 minutes between coats so ink doesn't run. This locks color and adds durability. Once cured, press each keycap back onto its switch, making sure stabilizers sit flush and keys travel freely. If you find a trapped bubble, lift the edge with a pin, smooth it out, and reseal. If a decal is misaligned, carefully remove it, recut as needed, and apply a fresh sealed piece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.